friends are dead, push me to the edge. All my friends are dead, push me to the edge.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a small ULTA haul. If you guys are interested, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get started. Alright, so I spent $65 at ULTA. I know it's not a lot because a lot of it's expensive. But this was my first ever ULTA haul. First ever purchase from ULTA as well. So first I got the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I have not tried it. I've heard good things, so I got it. Alright, and next I picked up the travel sized MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I am a cheapskate, so I went with this one because I have so many other sprays, so that's why I went with this. Alright, the last few things are palettes, other than the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation sample that they sent me, and the Bliss Triple Oxygen Instant Energizing Foam Mask. This was together in the sample. Okay. The first eyeshadow palette I have is by Morphe, and it is the 9C Jewel Crew palette. This here is the box. This is the palette. Now I did swatch a few of these, so yeah. These colors are absolutely beautiful, if you ask me. Like, aren't they nice? So yes, I look forward to trying them. Alright, and these last two palettes are from Makeup Revolution, and they are a YouTuber that I watch on YouTube. Her name is Soph Does Nails, in case you didn't know. She did a collab with Makeup Revolution. She has an eyeshadow palette and a highlighting palette. Alright, so first I will open up the highlighting palette. I did swatch some of these, and if I have the swatches still, I will insert them on the screen. But this here is her highlighting palette. Some of these are really beautiful, and I really do look forward to trying them. But yeah, this palette I think was $12, which isn't bad, because they're pretty decent sized. So I got that. I love you, Soph, in case you didn't know. And then I got her eyeshadow palette. This one was $15. Has a giant mirror in it, by the way, and the names are on the shadows. So those are, here's the names. Pretty nice shadows. I actually did not swatch this, so I will swatch one for you guys. Let's do this purple and this gold. Like, hold on. There we go. Here we go. You can't see it that well, but honestly, they're beautiful. So I got that. That is it for that ULTA haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and then like always, I love you guys.